Free Transform Tool. In this lesson, we're going to discuss the Free Transform Tool. Now let's discuss how this tool helps us modify our shapes and images. Free Transform Tool allows us to perform transformation on graphic objects, text blocks, and shapes. We can scale, skew, and rotate an object using this tool. Its keyboard shortcut is the letter Q. Now, as we select an object for transformation, a bounding box appears over the object. Each side has transformation handles in the corner and middle. For further discussion, let's discuss the tool with an example. Place one object on the stage. Select the tool from the toolbox and click on the shape. Now we can see the transformation handlers by moving the mouse pointer near to middle or corner point. Just click and drag and we can enlarge the object. If we wish to scale the object horizontally or vertically, just drag the middle handlers. Please note, if you want a uniform scaling, then hold down the Shift key and move your mouse pointer near the corner of the object and just drag, and you will get uniform scaling. To rotate an object, move the cursor outside the object and bring near the corners. Now we can rotate the object such as this. In general, the rotation takes place according to the transformation point. Now, by default, the transformation point will be in the center. We can also move our center point and place it anywhere, like this. Now let's rotate the object. Big difference, eh? See, the object is rotating according to the new transformation point. We can skew an object either horizontally or vertically. Move the cursor between the two transformation handlers and now we can skew the object. Let's skew it horizontally as well as vertically. We can give special effects to the object using the skew option. Tip for you here: if we wish to skew our object on both a side, hold the Alt key and drag. As we scale, skew and rotate the object. The changes in dimensions of the object are shown in the Properties panel. The options of Free Transform tools are Scale, Rotate and Skew, Distort and Envelope. Click on Distort option. It will appear like this in our object. Now move our cursor near the corner point and note our mouse pointer changed as triangle. Click and drag to see the changes. Next, Envelope option works like Convert Anchor Point tool, which we saw on the Convert Anchor Point tool. Select this option and move the mouse pointer near a point and just click and drag, and we can see the change of the shape. Hence, using this tool, we've learned how to scale, rotate, and skew, distort and envelope our object, and create many beautiful shapes.